Whether you not picky no, or big bossy no, we all for the vaccine.
Sickness like coronavirus, where the same way so-called COVID-19 can spread, but where then they where we can protect ourselves and we picking them for make we not go get them. Do ya? Make we listen to what's in the well body people and they talk. So we self go talk the right thing so we fumble and paddy them. So then go know how for protect themselves.
Let we take time for tin them where the touch of play with. Not the near person where gets fever, they cough, sneeze, or not they blow fine.
Cause sick not they pick. Let we protect we self and make we not go sick.
Whether you doing a school, house, workplace, market, or any side where boku people and they make we the wash we hand them all time. We hand them can touch boku side or tin them we get jams. Make we all the wash we hand boku them with soap and clean water or rub sanitizer. Anytime we come out na school, house, workplace, market, or any side where boku people and they. And before we touch or eat chop, make we not the touch we mouth, nose or eye them.
If you notice say you get fever, cough, they sneeze, or you know they blow fine, you can left na house and call 117. Well, body will command them go help you.
This message they come out from the Ministry of Health and Sanitation, UNICEF and other partners.
Sick not the pick. Let we protect we self and make we not go sick.